Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to import 33 pictures into a video on CapCut. CapCut now have a template feature. We can use template for make 33 pictures into a video. So the first you have to go to templates, then click on the search column. Then search for 33 clips photo. We'll write here 33 photo aesthetic. These are templates which need 33 photos or pictures. Choose the templates that you want. I will choose this one. Then click use template. Choose 33 pictures that you want to import on it. 33 pictures. Okay, done. Then click next. And see the result. Click export. Then click export without watermark. So the watermark on here will disappear. Your video will save on your phone storage. Also can post it to your TikTok account. So this is how to import 33 pictures into a video on CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.